Downloading code from a Bitbucket repository is straightforward and can be done in a few different ways. Here's how to do it. Log into Bitbucket. Go to Bitbucket and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the repository. From your Bitbucket dashboard, find and select the repository that contains the code you want to download. Download as a zip file. On the repository's main page, click on the Downloads button or tab. Click on Download Repository. This will download the entire repository content as a zip file, including all files and folders. This method is useful if you don't need to track changes with Git and just want a snapshot of the current state. Clone the repository using Git. If you want to download the repository and also keep track of changes, it's better to clone it using Git. Open a terminal and use the following command. Replace username with the Bitbucket username and repository name with the actual name of the repository. Access the code. After downloading, either extract the zip file to access the code or navigate to the cloned repository directory using the following.